approximately 1 hour by train from downtown Tokyo, arriving at Takao Sanguchi Station on the Keio Line, the gateway to Mt.Takao in Tokyo. Mt.Takao has the world's highest number of climbers and annually have 3 million visitors. There are mostly many tourists during the autumn foliage season, so we started climbing at 7 a.m. There are 8 main routes to the summit. This time we will aim for the summit on Route 1, which is safe even for beginners. Most of Route 1 is paved, and you can climb it even in casual clothes or sneakers. Even though the road is paved, it is still a mountain road. You have to climb up steep hills many times. After a 50-minute walk, you will see the entrance to Yakuo-in, a historic temple that has existed on Mount Takao for 1,200 years. Yakuo-in is a temple that has various blessings and is also a popular spiritual hotspot. This time, instead of going through Yakuo-in Temple, we went to Route 4, where you can go through the suspension bridge. The road is steeper than before and is just wide enough for one person to pass. When passing by climbers, please yield to each other and walk. One hour after the start, we arrived at the suspension bridge. After crossing the suspension bridge, there is only 900 meters left to the summit. The stairs continue after that, but we keep walking without stopping.
だ。お、まだ続く。
Finally, about 2 hours after the start, we arrived at the summit of Mt.Takao. Even though it was 9 a.m., many climbers were already at the summit. The place that attracted many people was the observation deck where you can see Mount Fuji. The day was clear and cloudless, and Mount Fuji, covered in snow, was peeking out. The view is truly spectacular. Looking at Mount Fuji, a steady stream of climbers were pouring in at the summit. On the way down the mountain, we stopped by the area around the Relic Stupa, a short distance away from Yakuoin Temple. This is one of the best autumn foliage spots on Mt.Takao. The vivid autumn foliage will make you forget the fatigue of hiking. Heading to the cable car station to go down the mountain, there was a long line in front of the store. a line to buy tenguyaki, a specialty of Mt.Takao. Was planning to buy one but gave up and headed to the foot of the mountain by cable car. There was a huge line at the foot of the mountain station with people who were heading for the summit. This was obvious when compared to the morning. If you're climbing Mt.Takao, it may be better to go early in the morning. Don't miss the next episode. And please subscribe to our channel.